If you know that your birthday is September, October, November, or December, come front. Come forward. My God. Hello. If you are sitting down, leave your seat and come here. You might think I'm joking. I'm not joking. I don't joke on stage. In as much it might look as if we are just cracking joke. I prophesy to all of you. For the rest of the birthday you have ever done, nobody gave you a tangible gift. Are you seeing this year on? Somebody will give you a gift that will make you tears of joy. I don't know the way it will happen, but somebody will give you a gift that when you receive that gift, you will not know when you start dancing. Do you want to show me the way you dance? Listen to me. It might be a gift they will give you in your hand, or it might be somebody you don't know. The person will do a transfer to your bank account, a transfer to your bank account. I want to see the way you will dance when it will happen. As you are dancing and believing it, so shall it happen in the name of Jesus. Let me see your hands. If you know your birthday is September, let me see your hands. If you are down there, come up to this place. September people, I want to see your hands up. Maybe when I sing this one, I will stop. After singing this one, I will stop. If you are September, baby, stand like this. September. 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 One day September will you kill? Onakunude. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My God. I want to stand. Wait. It's a spiritual thing. Give you a significant gift. Listen to me. My birthday is September. 29 September is my birthday. You are 10 in number. I forgot my money in the hotel, but I will do something here. Ambassador. September. You could have mother neck and your 5. All for 5. Somebody bring money. Somebody bring money. Somebody give me 5,000. Be fast. I'll give you my car. Where are the remaining 5? September. You could have September. You could have September. You could have September. You could have September. Hello. Listen. Lift up that money. Lift up the money. If you know the kind of gift you want, begin to speak it right now. Begin to speak it right now. In this September, any kind of gift you want, God will give it to you. You don't forget Sotoria 2025. Go ahead and speak. Go ahead and speak. If I have 100,000 here, I will share it. Because I'm seeing these people, they are going to become multi-millionaires. Begin to say something. Begin to say something. Lift up that money. Lift up that money. My God, I prophesy to you. Whatever your hand has never touched, your hand shall begin to touch it. The kind of money you've never made, you begin to make it. You begin to make it in the name of Jesus.